Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys, I'm Afriza Kusdayanti. Okay, in here I will explanation the material language and society. Okay, you can see in PowerPoint. Okay, the file that study the relation between language and society, between the use of language and the social structure in which the user of language live. Jadi teman-teman, sosiolinguistik itu adalah bidang yang mempelajari hubungan antara bahasa dengan masyarakat, antara penggunaan bahasa dengan struktur sosial, di mana penggunaan bahasa itu tinggal. Oke, next slide. Sociolinguistic is the study Vental and Talkberg in the context Van Mastapitz and Culture. Jadi sosiolinguistik ini adalah kajian mengenai bahasa dan pemakaiannya dalam konteks sosial dan kebudayaan nih teman-teman. Oke, next. Oke, jadi sociolinguistic is the study of language operation. It is a purpose to investigate how the convention of the language use relate to other aspects of social behavior. Jadi, sosiolinguistik ini adalah kajian bahasa dalam penggunaannya dengan tujuan untuk meneliti bagaimana konvensi pemakaian bahasa berhubungan dengan aspek-aspek lain dari tingkah laku sosial. Okay, next slide. Based of this understanding, there are several things that must be underlined, namely sociolinguistic, discussing language diversity based on language use in the social environment and language user samples. Jadi berdasarkan pengertian tersebut ada beberapa hal yang harus digarisbawahi teman-teman, yaitu sosiolinguistik membahas keberagaman bahasa berdasarkan penggunaan bahasa dalam lingkungan sosial dan penggunaan bahasa sendiri. Okay, next. The difference between language and dialect. Okay. One of the most common ways of identifying a person is by his of her language, because language is inherently influenced in socialization. The social group whose language you speak in is an important identify group for you. Multilingual society in vocabulary face conflict over language choice. Okay, the speakers of a language are in stronger position when their language is used for national or international communication. You can see in PowerPoint, guys. Okay, next, guys. The definition of social dialect and regional dialect. Dialect concerns variation that are located regional or socially. Style refers to difference in degree of formality. A third set of variation concerns the spatial variety or register. Okay, you can see in this PowerPoint, guys. Okay, next. Dialect style and regards as we have present them are ways of labeling varieties of language. You can see next. Register is a variety of language most likely to be used in a specific situation and with particular rules and situation involved. A register is marked by choice, vocabulary, and of other aspects of style. Okay, the definition of register and the definition of style. Useful way of classifying social situation is to analyze them into their defining characteristic, place, rule, relative ownership, and topic. Together, these make up a set of typical domains. One common domain is home domain, are named usually for a place or an activity in it. Okay, home then is the place, the rule, relative ownership associate with home. Guys. Okay, there are suitable set of topic. Okay, you can see in PowerPoint, guys. Okay, in a multilingual family, different rule relative ownership might influence different language choice. Okay, guys, are there any question? Okay, guys, thank you. Okay, guys, thanks for your attention. Thanks for being here. Okay, I'm Afriza Krisdayanti. I close by saying hamdalah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.